In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tracking number in WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your WordPress dashboard, how to attach the correct shipping details to an order, and how to make sure your customers can follow their package. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into the admin dashboard. You'll need the appropriate permissions to manage orders. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click WooCommerce. This is the hub for your store's settings, products, customers, and of course, orders. Next, click Orders. This page lists every order placed in your store, along with statuses like processing, completed, or on hold. Locate the specific order you want to update. You can scroll through the list, search by customer name or order number, or use the filters to narrow down your results. When you find the order, click it to open the order details screen. On the order page, look to the right-hand side. You should see an option labeled Add Tracking Number. Click that. This opens a small panel where you'll add the shipping information that customers will use to follow their package. First, select your shipping provider. This is the courier handling the delivery, such as a major carrier or a regional service. Make sure you choose the correct provider so the tracking link works properly. Then, enter the tracking number exactly as your shipping provider gave it to you when the package was dispatched. Be careful with spaces and characters. Even a small typo can prevent the tracking page from loading correctly. You'll also see a field for the date. Enter the date the package was sent out, which helps your customers understand when tracking updates should begin to appear. After you've double-checked the provider, the number, and the dispatch date, click Save Tracking. Saving attaches the tracking details to the order. Depending on your WooCommerce setup, your customer may receive an email with the tracking information, and the tracking link will appear in their account under that order. If you notice a mistake later, you can return to the same order, update the tracking details, and save again. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always copy and paste the tracking number to avoid typos, and confirm that the provider you select matches the label on the package. If tracking doesn't show updates right away, it can take some time after dispatch for the carrier to register the shipment. That's it. You've successfully added a tracking number in WooCommerce.